Here is a tutorial on Google Forms app. So I'm going to click my apps and scroll down to Google Forms. Google Forms can be used in a lot of different ways to enhance the educational experience. I use it as a way to just see how students did on assignment and ask them about what they did. I've used it to create individualized learning adventures for the students where they kind of choose their own path. And I've used it as a form of assessment. So what you do is you click Add Blank Form. You can title your form. It's going to be Van Gogh Pre-Assessment. You can add a description. This will test your pre-knowledge of Van Gogh. And here's where you add in the questions. So my first question is just going to be name. It automatically will assume what type of answer it is. Here are the options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, and you can allow them to upload a file through their Google account. The rest are kind of advanced options that I will talk about in another tutorial later on in life. So this question is finished. It is required. Here you have the opportunity to duplicate questions, throw questions away, and there's some more advanced options here that I won't discuss right now. This is where you add a new question. You can add a description and a title to a question. You can add images or videos to a question. Adding sections along with importing questions are more advanced topics. So I'm going to add another question here. What type of art was Van Gogh famous for? So it already assumed multiple choice. I'm going to go ahead and put in my options. Paintings, sculptures, or installations. They're required to answer it. So I'll show you one more type of answer here, checkbox. What subject matters did Van Gogh use in his art? So this one, I'm going to create check boxes for the answers. So flowers, landscapes, non-objective, or let's say portraits. Right? Okay, so once you have some questions there, you can view it by pressing the I for preview, and it'll show you. So you enter your name, paintings, flowers, landscapes, submit. Once a student submits the assessment, you then will have the option right here next to questions to look at the response data. So there's the one name, one student answered paintings, one student answered both flowers and landscapes. The other options here are customizing the theme and the color, which you can play with, or more advanced settings. So that is all for this tutorial.